some mathematics in this video. If x on 3 is equal to y on 4, which is equal to z on 5, and 3x minus 2y plus z is equal to 18, we have to find the value of x plus 5y minus 3z. So let's see how we are going to solve this problem. Now let's start from this side. Let x on 3, which is equal to y on 4, which is equal to z on 5 be equal to, let's see, 8. Then we are going to have x on 3 is equal to a, so which implies that x will be equal to 3a. Then the next one, y on 4 is also equal to a, which implies that y is equal to 4a. Another aspect, z on 5 will also be equal to a. So when you cross multiply, z becomes 5a. And we were told that 3x minus 2y plus z is equal to 8. And we have been able to express all x, y, and then z in terms of one variable. So we replace x by this. So this implies that 3 times x, we said that it is 3a, right? Minus 2 times 4a plus 5a is equal to 18. So 3 times 3a is giving us 9a minus 8a plus 5a, all will be equal to 18. So when we simplify, we are going to get 6a is equal to 18. Then divide both sides by 6, and this will give us a to be equal to 3. And knowing the value of a, we can find x. X will now be 3 times 3, which is 9, and then y also be equal to 4 times 3, which is 12. Then z is 5 times 3, which is 15. Okay, so x plus 5y minus 3z becomes, we replace x, y, and then z by this value. So to 9, this is plus 5, y value is 12 times 12 minus 3 times 15, so which is 9. 5 times 12 is 60 minus 45, and when we simplify, we are getting 24. Thank you very much, viewers, for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I load a video, wherever you are, you'll be alerted. Bye.